Alright, well, under this cover is one of my first tractors. It's a 91 MTD 18 horsepower tractor with, I guess, a flat tire. Oh, I punctured that when I was brush hogging. Yeah, 18 horsepower. I actually put a battery in the brand new one last time I ran it. Should be good. The only thing is the gas is about 2 years old in this thing, and I haven't started this in at least half a year, so I have no idea if it'll start. Ugh. Sticky choke. Throttle, I guess, moves a little bit. This thing usually starts, but I don't know what happened today. This thing always seems to run. It's a little cold, so it's surging a little bit. Fuck. Ah. Ah. Well, there you go. I even do tractor pulls with this thing. You can't destroy it. This motor probably has about 2,000 hours on it. And I've never rebuilt it. I've never even opened the motor on this thing. I've had it since it was brand new. It's almost as old as I am. Yeah, no, she always runs. I don't know how, but... Wow, the charge meter's actually working. That thing never worked before. Cool. See the lights work. Wow. Oh, the reason the camera's moving so much is because I'm slipping in the stupid mud and I can't hold the damn thing straight. Nice. Very nice.